The Ministry of Health has updated the protocols for notification of confirmed COVID-19 cases. Individuals who visit a respiratory clinic or private facility for COVID-19 testing will now be required to provide additional information. Patients who test positive for COVID-19 are still required to duly notify close contacts.
The information required includes vaccination data, including status and date of vaccination, place of work, school and grade for school-age individuals, and very importantly, a valid email address. Persons who test positive for COVID-19 will now be notified of their results by a public health officer attached to the testing site via phone or email. Along with the results, patients will receive instructions pertaining to isolation protocols, home monitoring, and warning symptoms that should prompt medical care. On receipt of the positive COVID-19 results, patients are expected to inform their employees, schools, and close contacts so that contact tracing, quarantine, and testing can be initiated. Follow-up of confirmed cases will continue to be done by the Home Isolation Monitoring Team.
District Medical Officer in the Epidemiology Unit, Dr. Delphina Verner, advises patients to contact the respiratory center where they get tested if they have not received their results within 24 to 72 hours.
Contact information for the respiratory clinics is as follows. Gros Polyclinic, 723-0663, and email gros.islet.respiratory@govt.lc. The Vieux-Fort Wellness Center at 518-5881 or 384-7344. Email vieux.fort.respiratory@govt.lc. Dennery Hospital, 468-7661 or 468-7662. Email dennery.respiratory@govt.lc. Soufriere Hospital, 518-1905 or 468-7617. Email soufriere.respiratory@govt.lc.
Authorities are now increasing, placing the onus on individuals to take prudent decisions to safeguard their health during this phase of the health crisis.
Patients who tested negative for COVID-19 will continue to be notified by the clinic where they were tested via telephone. Let us all continue to follow the protocols, take personal responsibility for our health and safety, and by extension, that of our family, friends, and communities as we work to return to a state of normalcy.
The Health Ministry says the changes to the various protocols are in keeping with global standards as officials aim to strike the balance between management of the pandemic and the impact on the health, economic, educational, and other sectors of society. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.